Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check your Walmart gift card balance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the search everything at Walmart online and in store. Also, we have the top right corner where you have your items, your account, and your cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check your Walmart gift card balance. So you can check your Walmart gift card balance in a few simple ways. So you can do it online. Visit the Walmart gift card balance page, enter your 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN. Click the get card balance to see your current balance. You can do it through Walmart app. Open the Walmart app, navigate to the gift card section, enter your card number and PIN to check the balance. You can do it through a phone. Call Walmart customer service at 1-888-537-5503. Follow the automated instructions to enter your card and number. And in store, visit any Walmart store, ask a cashier to check the balance for you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.